Here with me, I have this box of EarPods. So these are the EarPods that I ordered in the previous video as a group consignment. So if you can see here, it's written EarPods and not AirPods. So they are more of a replica of the original AirPods from Apple. So these ones I want to test if they're any good compared to the original AirPods. So given the price of these AirPods, I would not compare them to the quality of the original AirPods, because if you know the original AirPods, so in Zambian Kwacha, we ordered these AirPods at about 65 Kwacha. And the original AirPods, I don't know if you can Google for me, but they go up to around 4,000 or even more. So these are supposed to be the AirPods Pro 2. That's the second generation. Yeah, so opening the box, let's review what's inside. Yeah, so just from the top of the box, you can see that we have this piece of paper, which is a menu, and from the packaging, I can tell that the Chinese have done like the most work concerning packaging, and just giving you something to feel good about, and a menu that tells you exactly what to do, how to connect, usually it's a menu for how you can use the AirPods perfectly without any challenges. This is very important for new users, especially if you just started using them. Yeah, so that was in the first box. And then the second one is the AirPods themselves. So it comes wrapped in a plastic, and this is a Type-C charging module. So other things in the box includes the changeable earpod labbers. Now, I must be honest, the packaging for these AirPods has actually surpassed my expectation. Given the price, they are very cheap, and the packaging is giving a more premium feel, though compared to the original one, this is far less in quality compared to the original one. So it comes with a Type-C to C charging cable, which is it's supposed to be maybe 1 meter. I didn't have enough time to look at it. And yeah, that's all in this box. Now, let's pack this back and check the AirPods themselves. So these are cheap, like I mentioned. So I'm not expecting much from these AirPods, but given that I am making this video pre-recorded, I can tell you that the sound quality from this AirPod has actually surpassed my expectation. They are very, very good. The bass, the sound is very clean. Yeah, so I have used it for a couple of days now, and I can actually confirm the quality of these AirPods. So they come with a speaker built in the case, and it usually makes a beep when you open the AirPod case. And having a feel of the AirPods themselves, they actually feel very decent, and usually will stick to your ears very good. And the AirPod case itself is decent, not premium, and it's a bit heavy. I'm not very sure on how it's been done on these ones, but given the price, the order price of these AirPods, I can say for me it's a 9/10. yeah, because I already know what I expected for these AirPods and I didn't expect as much. So thank you very much for everyone who was part of this consignment, and hopefully in the future we can do something similar. Yeah, for now, just subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much, and bye bye for now. Peace.